the police will come.
You gotta put strap on or
You
police are
gotta
gonna take you to jail.
Yeah, police will come and take you to jail. Do you want to go to jail?
Yeah.
You want to go to jail?
Please to come and take me to jail.
Yep. They're coming to get you. Lily, watch out.
Daddy, please watch out. Did the police come?
Do you think the police will come and get Daddy too?
Yeah.
Is Daddy being bad?
Yeah.
Oh no. Where is the police taking Daddy?
The mommies take the police to take the mommy jail.
Yeah, so is Daddy going to jail?
Yeah.
What about Lily?
Oh, me.
You're going to jail. You're definitely going to jail.
No. The police.
No, yeah, the police will come and they will take you. They take you to jail.
Everybody take to my jail.
No, not everybody, just bad people. If you're bad, they take you to jail. Do you want to go to jail?
Yeah.
You want to?
Watch out! Did the police